Are you planning to sell? What should you do first? I'm so glad you're watching the channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 repairs you should consider before selling your home. These should help prepare your home before negotiating a sale. It's always a good idea for your home to make a good first impression. Rotting boards on the exterior of your home can make it look shabby. Consider replacing, caulking, and painting them to refresh your home's appearance. Buyers can pay a lot of attention to handrails, so bypassing this safety issue may result in a lost offer. Fixing wobbly rails ensures safety and satisfies a sharp-eyed buyer. Lighting plays an important part in the feel and look of your home. If you have a lot of light or bright light bulbs, your home appears clean and airy. Home inspectors have written, "See a licensed electrician" in their reports, solely due to bulbs missing or not working. To avoid the impression there may be a major electrical issue with your home, simply change your burned out light bulbs. Also be sure to use bulbs with the correct wattage and as bright as possible. These are just a few repairs to consider before negotiating a sale. If you would like a complete list, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your dream home is only a click away.